With billions of dollars at stake, customers lined up well before Silicon Valley Bank reopened to recover their money as promised.
We're here to assist with any questions. Branch employees will handle all normal transactions.
While people are anxious, the scene remained orderly, the best the Biden administration can hope for after taking extraordinary measures to try to prevent this crisis from spreading.
Americans can have confidence that the banking system is safe.
To maintain all-important confidence in that system, SVB customers will be made whole. The billions of dollars in lost deposits will be repaid through a special assessment on banks rather than a taxpayer-funded bailout.
Learned my lesson, and I'm not going to put the money all in one place like I did here.
The same applies to customers of Signature Bank, which is well known in the cryptocurrency world. It was taken over by regulators on Sunday on the brink of failure.
The management of these banks will be fired. If the bank is taken over by FDIC, the people running the bank should not work there anymore.
It all made for a volatile day on the markets. U.S. banks took a major hit, while stocks in trusted names outside of banking rose on hope that what happened will discourage the Fed from raising interest rates again. Rate hikes played a role in SVB's failure. It didn't have the money to cover a run of customer withdrawals, forcing it to sell off Treasury securities at a heavy loss because of those rate hikes.
Part of what banking is managing interest rate risk. And they should have been aware that rates could have gone up.
This finance professor says because so much of the problem can be blamed on SVB's management, he's not expecting more banks to fail.
I think this is just going to be hopefully a blip from a bad Friday through Monday.
So, Katie, the president is clearly ramping up pressure on Congress to pass, new laws to stop this from happening again. What more do we know about that plan?
The White House wants stronger regulations for smaller banks. There had been some stress tests in place, but back in 2018, the Trump administration, along with lawmakers from both parties, repealed some of those requirements. SVB was actually one of the banks lobbying for less regulation. New rules will be the long-term goal, but for Joe Biden right now, his top priority is hammering home the message that the banking system is safe.
All right, Katie Simpson in Washington, thank you.
Thanks.